What's the meaning of authoress? Authoress. Authoress.
Authoress. Authoress. Authoress is a dated term that refers to a female author, but it has fallen out of usage in modern times. While it was once commonly used to differentiate between male and female authors, today the term is generally considered unnecessary and potentially demeaning. Instead, modern language prefers to use author for both male and female writers. Overall, the use of gendered terms in literature has shifted towards more inclusivity, with a focus on the work itself rather than the gender of the author.